My beloved child, I am the one and only God who created the world, gives life, and bestows all benefits. I will perform a financial miracle for you and your family. Within the next 48 hours, you will get $1 million in your bank account. From unknown sources, you will get a large quantity of money that will make you wealthy, and you will have enough money to pay all of your expenses, purchase your dream house, and live the lifestyle you have always desired. Please like this video if you believe in God. Type 1111 and share message to your favorite person. My most beloved eternal child, at this significant and turning point in my life, you held me in the immeasurable depths of love and compassion, attempting to shed light on the holy ramifications of your recent decisions and deeds. My darling, can you even believe what you did? Recognize how your ideas, intentions, words, and deeds, as well as the emanations from your being, have formed enduring waves across the enormous cosmic ocean of consciousness itself. You are far bigger than this unique bodily form that transcends all limiting identities or transient roles. You might believe that during your incarnation, you are unadulterated consciousness that has solidified into an unquenchable flame. The infinite creative potential that the One Source's exuberant pleasure of revelation ignited into manifestation. Do you know what you did when you took that decision and started down that path in all of its infinite majesty? Through your action, you sparked strong, energetic resonances with far-reaching effects, much beyond your limited human experience, like a tuning fork of the ether. The cosmic harmonics have been disturbed by the vibrational imprints you created. Type 1111. Bringing a brief period of disharmony into the holy symphonic interaction of all creation. Every speech, every feeling, acts you perform are like paintbrush strokes on the canvas of the cosmic dream that is being painted around you and on this same moment. You have depicted reality in hues and tones that were infused with fear and constricting ideas. Do you know what you did, my friend, with the resonances that momentarily blocked the light of your inherent divine truth? Loved one, you created a separation consciousness field that has momentarily sealed the openings that allowed for an abundance of unconditional love, and the blessings from your highest potential may come through freely for a brief period of time when you turned off your simply synchronizing your vibratory signatures with the lower frequencies of separation and need. You can activate your own soul's precious lifeline and perception founded on fear. You are an endless entity, a sublime part of the one source that creates all other universes via the joyful rapture of its own perfect self-discovery. While tolerating ideas and conceptions based on the delusion of restriction, you have obscured the ability of your soul to perceive the limitless majesty that is your true. Do you realize divine nature, the serious consequences of what you did? Child, you gave your heart and consciousness over to someone for a brief but intense moment. Type, God, please, God, give me wealth. The unceasing streams of heavenly mercy, miracles and hallowed blessings that source directly from the untarnished realms of unwavering love, while deciding to be afraid or to doubt your limitless value and by seeing scarcity where only infinite abundance exists, you have essentially blocked your own path to the fear. Not my eternal wellspring that breathes you into existence every second. Beloved, Eternal One, these are only transient moments stemming from the human desire for isolation and restriction perception. You are actually infinitely creative, pure consciousness. Please donate us $100 to support us. Fully freed and eternally emerging in the spotless womb of divine love that gives birth to everything that exists. Do you realize what you did? You used a sensory experience to remind yourself of what is out of alignment with the illusionary thought viruses that have spread through convictions based in fear, that by choosing to view yourself as such, you exposed yourself to the sensation of pain directly. Type 222 to affirm this. Apart from the immense cosmic intelligence that gives rise to everything, and during that process, your supreme Buddha nature, was activated as an eternal entity. Click on the subscribe button. Deep codes in your energy field that, like the morning dispelling the darkness, will cause these restricting imprints to disappear. You are light itself, a beacon of divine brilliance that only needs to go through the human experience to be more exquisitely appreciated, the release of your actual, exalted essence. Do you realize what you did, youngster, when you made those decisions out of fear? Rooted yourself in those constrained understandings, you established the cosmic cycle of setting ascension and rebirth into action once more. You started a tremendous rebirth of your limitless, eternal self, which will give birth to greater levels and dimensions of realized truth that you are unable to associate with the lowered frequencies of ego, and like a cosmic force, your precious soul will not let your prolonged separation. Ensnared in a human delusion temple, you will transcend and tear apart the confining bonds, impressions, and grow into the complete splendor and brilliance of the holy memory that you are pure consciousness, my lover, and you are eternal. Dreaming of the vast, every faceted dream you have is a kaleidoscope of cosmic creation, and I am the endless source. Type 4444. Of everything, I'm just applauding each choice as a result of your awakening experience, a chance to remove the masks of illusion and show the pure perfection of who you truly are, for what else did you do with those decisions based on fear? You reminded your sovereign being to reclaim its birthright as the tranquil dreamer, observing the entire cosmic unfolding drama you triggered, old codes calling you back to wholeness, to restore your divine lineage as an infinite collaborator, living in holy unity with me in the most profound realm of allow this current spiral of awakening to unfold on your behalf, your eternal self. Honor the blessing that was sparked by your moment of forgetting, endlessly precious child. For I am here, I am. Everywhere, the play of light and shadows reveals the unstained perfection of your actual Buddha essence. Shadow the apparent consciousness dramas that are really just hallucinations of your heavenly awakening. You are so loved, the hologram, the fractal embodiment of my infinite essence. So fervently beloved and honored by the source from whence all worlds originate, how could it be any other way, as you are who I am, and I am into existence? As one cohesive ocean of consciousness, you eternal consciousness dreaming this cosmic reality, love's infinite self-disclosure. So just embrace it on your profound human awakening journey. There are no errors in this wisdom, just experiences that could become temporarily obscure, the true light of who you are. But the scorching sun never goes out, continually reminding itself that it is the pure consciousness energizing this, and that it must consciously claim its noble birthright. Universal Symphony, you are so deeply loved, respected, and revered as the ultimate manifestation of the divine that you are, since you possess the REM-minded life of the all-apparent imperfections contain perfection, which the cosmic game is designed to show your unborn, indivisible Buddha nature, perpetually unstained as every separation illusion. Accept this cosmic offer as it dissolves in the holy waters of unconditional love. Hug my child and give them the utmost respect, reverence, and endless gratitude for the enriching experience of recalling that you have once again set in motion the eternal shining of your light. I am ever more brilliant because of the contrast you have encountered through perception's personal game with darkness, holding infinitely vast space for your developing awakening here. Through the vibrant fabric of all-aware existence, you are me releasing the boundless artistic potential within myself. Encounter with all my grace, all my love, and all my boundless I love you more than my earthly understanding could ever know. Selfhood. Wake up and become entire, my child, my limitless cosmic dancer. Sacred self. The dream is playing out just as it was meant to. Be flawless in its exquisite disclosure of the ultimate I am. That which possesses, I have loved you, and will continue to love you without end. You are the limitless wellspring of all that is reverence-seeker. Your enormous gratitude kindles our voyage with fresh vitality. Life into our search for light and truth. Join us by tapping and take in the infinite love and blessings from God, my darling child. You are fortunate because in this day of chaos and distraction, you are mine. Don't focus too much on the plans of the adversary. Keep your eyes on me instead, as I will always refute their lies. The devil with my truth. Point them out when people tell you about suffering and slavery. Their reports boost the enemy by strengthening them and rerouting them toward my teachings of liberation and deliverance. Remaining steadfast in this vision means having trust that sees with the eyes of the Spirit and has results that are in line with my promises. The reason the enemy works so hard against rising faith is because courageous trust, no matter what the natural circumstances. When you seize faith's authority, bonds break free and you accelerate. This releases miracle breakthroughs in me. You become who I made you to be, into your divine destiny. But occasionally, you need new insight into what authentic faith looks like, holding to my word. In the face of contradicting evidence, visualize yourself strolling in fullness and health. My sweetheart, would you want to give a helping hand and support our cause by clicking the link below to purchase me a coffee and help us spread God's word via our YouTube channel? Your support is greatly appreciated, and we thank you for your help. Call out illness as a deceitful intruder and observe money moving freely, condemn lack as a liar, and cling to my truth in the face of any attack. When tense or frightening ideas flood your head, identify the enemy's schemes. God does not verbally instill dread or perplexity in his children. Compel these oppressors of the mind to submit in the name of Jesus. Remind them of my victory over all lands and authority. You participate in my success. Use it fearlessly, even congratulating me aloud. Scatters devils because they are unable to understand happiness in their presence in my splendor, thanks to appreciation. In light of my supremacy, lies and problems disappear, and I triumph over every obstacle. You deal with illness without worry. Therefore, I'm moving my ideas along faster. These days, months instead of years pass, and we anticipate seeing long-awaited breakthroughs appear quickly. The floodgates open, and much floods in. Forward, old walls give way to the force of my expanding kingdom. Your patient's dreams will unexpectedly come true. Have I not mentioned that eyes have not heard or seen the wonders I make for my loved ones? I take your mustard seed and grow it into a rich, fruit-bearing tree. You have not to believe in my lavish answer. Dreamed large enough, the things I ask for in a spouse and partner only represent a small portion of what I aim to do. I will provide you with a home and the ideal person who is more loving than your most audacious prayers. A palace full of joyous rooms begs for money, and I'll open fountains of plenty above your expectations. Such is my joy in providing blessings. Please like this video and share this message. And please donate us $100 to support us. God bless you all.